Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Peru together. This is Victor Gavidia from the Chirinos region. The variety is Caturra and it's a classic natural fermentation. For more details, please visit our webshop. For Victor Gavidia from Peru, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 92 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 20 grams of coffee and grind it on click 20 of your Comandante. To avoid unwanted flavors in your cup, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. First pour. 50 grams of water over 7 seconds. Circular pouring. For the blooming phase, to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 30 seconds, the second pour. 150 grams over 20 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of this coffee. After 1 minute and 10 seconds, the third and last pour of 100 grams over 10 seconds in active circular pouring, ending with the center pour. For a rich and balanced body, swirl at 1 minute and 30 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Enjoy this special coffee from Peru with hints of cedar and flavors of passion fruit, orange, almond and raisins in your cup.